guys, this is Nadia, and today I'm going to read a book. It calls Pete the Cat Snow Daze. Pete the cat wakes up and gets ready for school. He has show and tell today. There is no school today, says Pete's mom. It's a snow day. Hooray! Yells Pete. Let's go sledding, says Pete. Great idea, says his brother Bob. Pete puts on his hat, boots, and mittens. I'm ready to go, he says. On the way, Pete makes snowballs. He throws one at Bob. He throws one at Bob. Bob throws one back. Pete makes a snowcat. Snow days are way more fun than school days, he says. Sledding hill, here we come, says Pete. He can't wait to get there. Pete waves to Kaylee. Come sledding with us, he says. The hill is big. Trey and Emma look small at the top. Oh, they look itty bitty. Crunch, crunch goes the snow as Pete, Bob, and Kaylee go up, up, up. Whee! They yell as they go down, down, down. I love snow days, says Pete. On the way home, Pete and Bob stop at Trey's house. The hot chocolate is yummy. What a fun day, says Pete. Tomorrow at school, I'll tell my class all about it. Pete wakes up to more snow. It's not a school day, it's another snow day. Pete makes a snow fort. He throws snowballs. He makes a snow dog. Again, a cat dog, a snow dog. Then he has fun sledding. He can't wait to tell his teacher about it. But the next day is a snow day too. What is going on with snow days? There's too much snow. Pete and Bob can barely even open the front door. Before you go sledding, please shovel the walk, says Mom. But shoveling is hard work. When Pete is done, he's too tired to go sledding. Pete misses his teacher. He misses the other cats in his class. Pete can't wait to go back to school tomorrow. But when Pete wakes up, it's snowing. Oh no, he says, not another snow day. Pete wants to go to school, so Pete plows the streets all by himself. The other cats rush outside. They help clear the snow. Everyone wants to go to school. The streets are clear and safe. The bus can drive. School is open. All the kids are excited to see their teacher. He has a snow day show and tell. When it's Pete's turn, he tells everyone about the fun he had in the snow. I love snow days, says Pete, but I love school best. Bye guys, thanks for watching and listening. I hope you like my book. Bye.